Please tell me I am not the only person who has this tangled mess. It never fails. Whenever family comes, everybody needs a different cord or a different block. Oh, you find the block? Oh, that's not the right one. Oh, you need this one? You know the struggle. I have the solution. This 4-in-1 charging cable by MFish is going to save the day. Oh, you need a USB? Perfect. Nope, you need the other one? Oh, okay, good. Got you covered. You have an older phone? Lightning cable. You have the new phone. Perfect. And what's even better, you are going to get a max 240-watt charge that is lightning fast. You can get a full charge on your phone in 20 minutes, guys. These come in several colors, and they are available in 3.3 foot or 6.6 foot. Do yourself a favor and grab these up so there's no more searching high and low for the right things when your family comes to visit.